7 Easy Ways to Make Money Online for Beginners in 2026. Do you want to make money online, but you don't know where to start? Maybe you don't have a lot of money. Maybe you don't have professional skills yet. Or maybe you only have a smartphone and an internet connection. Don't worry. In this video, I will show you 7 easy ways to make money online for beginners in 2026. These are not get-rich-quick tricks. You will need time, patience, and effort. But the good news is that you can start small, learn as you go, and build your income step by step. Let's get started. Number 1. Freelancing. The first way is freelancing. Freelancing means providing a service to people or businesses online. You can start with a skill you already have. For example, writing, translation, video editing, graphic design, YouTube script writing, social media management. You can create a profile on platforms such as Fiverr or Upwork and offer your services to clients. If you don't have a skill yet, don't worry. Choose one skill and learn it for free through online tutorials. Then practice by creating sample work. Your first goal should be getting your first client, not making thousands of dollars immediately. Number 2. YouTube. The second method is YouTube. You can start a YouTube channel using your smartphone. Choose one topic that you understand or enjoy. For example, technology, AI tools, motivation, education, business, making money online. Create useful videos that solve problems or entertain people. At the beginning, your channel may grow slowly. That's normal. Improve your thumbnails. Improve your titles. Improve your video quality. And learn from your analytics. As your channel grows and you meet the requirements for available monetization programs, YouTube can become a long-term income source. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. The third method is affiliate marketing. This is simple to understand. You recommend a product or service. The company gives you a special tracking link. If someone makes a qualifying purchase through your link, you can earn a commission. For example, imagine you create videos about useful online tools. You can recommend tools that you actually use and include your affiliate link where allowed. But don't promote everything just because it offers a commission. Recommend useful products. Your audience needs to trust you. Number 4. Sell digital products. The fourth method is selling digital products. You don't need a physical store. You can create products such as ebooks, Canva templates, study notes, printable planners, AI prompts, business templates, online guides. For example, if you know how to create YouTube thumbnails, you could create a collection of useful thumbnail templates. Create something that solves a specific problem. Then promote it through your social media or YouTube channel. Number 5. Online tutoring. The fifth method is online tutoring. If you are good at something, you can teach it. You could teach English, mathematics, music, computer skills, school subjects, or another skill you understand well. You can start by teaching people you already know. As you gain experience, you can build an online presence and reach more students. The most important thing is to teach something you genuinely understand. Number 6. Social media management. The sixth method is social media management. Many small businesses want to grow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or other platforms. But business owners are often too busy to create content every day. You can help them. You could create posts, write captions, schedule content, reply to comments, research content ideas, and help organize their social media pages. Start by creating a few sample posts. Then show potential clients what you can do. You don't need a huge following. You need a useful skill. Number 7. AI-assisted online services. The seventh method is using AI tools to provide online services. AI is creating new opportunities for freelancers and small businesses. You can use AI to help with writing, research, content ideas, YouTube scripts, social media posts, marketing. But don't simply copy and paste AI-generated content. Review it. Correct mistakes. Add your own ideas. Make the final result useful and original. The goal is to use AI as a tool that helps you work faster and better. How to choose the best method? Now you may be asking, which one should I choose? Don't choose all 7 at once. Choose one. If you like writing, try freelancing. If you enjoy making videos, try YouTube. If you enjoy recommending products, learn affiliate marketing. If you know a subject well, try online tutoring. If you understand social media, try social media management. The best method is the one you can actually continue doing. A simple beginner plan. Here is a simple plan you can follow. Day 1, choose one method. Day 2 to 7, learn the basics. Week 2, practice every day. Week 3, create your portfolio or first pieces of content. Week 4, start looking for clients or building your audience. Don't worry if you don't make money immediately. Your first objective is to learn. Then get your first result. Then improve. Then grow. Important warning. Be careful with websites or apps promising easy money. If someone tells you, "Pay me first and I will guarantee you $1,000 tomorrow." Be careful. Real online income usually requires work, skill, or value. Never give strangers your passwords or sensitive financial information. Research a platform before using it. Final message. Making money online as a beginner is possible. But don't look for a magic button. Start with one skill. Practice it. Solve real problems. Build trust. And stay consistent. You don't need to become successful overnight. You just need to become better than you were yesterday. Your first goal can be your first $10, then $50, then $100. Build it step by step. Outro. If this video helped you, like this video and subscribe for more practical ways to make money online. And comment start below if you are ready to begin. Remember, start small. Learn every day. Keep improving. See you in the next video.